Hey, welcome to this video. Hope you're doing great. So, events are an integral part of human life, definitely. Whether it may be birthday or social gatherings or weddings or events on the professional level, no one can bypass them, as these events touch almost all the aspects of our social existence. And all of us have been a part of these events from time to time. So either we organize these events or participate there. But did you know that there officially exists a professional career in this field? And if you think that you have a flair to organize such events and get the things done on time without buckling under pressure, then event management is the best career option for you. In this particular video, I'm going to cover various aspects that will answer all your questions about becoming an event manager and what opportunities it has to offer you. So if you are someone who are ready to be on your toes and you like juggling between events, interacting with people, and are even ready for last minute surprises and requests, then this career could be very exciting for you. But before we jump into it, let me share with you that if you're coming on this channel for the first time, a warm welcome first of all. And my name is Akshay, and I had an opportunity by God's grace to work at IIT Bombay for 12 years, where I interacted with a lot of students and professors and helped them in their projects, in management. And during this course, I came to understand that the career selection system in India is faulty, because of which students have a tough time in their career journey, impacting their personal and professional life. Students generally choose careers based on prestige, popularity, or the payment that they're going to get, without evaluating whether this career will fulfill the purpose that they have in their heart. Sometimes they don't know what the purpose is, and what problems that they're going to solve in the real world, and whether they have the potential to do so. So because of this, havoc is created. And to solve this problem, I founded Career Vision Hub, where I scientifically and systematically help students to explore, discover, and grow in their career journey so that they can lead an empowered life and make their parents proud. If you want to know more about it, I invite you to go to my website, jakshay.com or careervisionhub.com, where you will get more information about it, and you can also register for my next webinar by going to the website jakshay.com/parent. And if you're too keen to understand the best career options for yourself and you have a career query in mind, you could book a personal session by sending an email to cvhakshay@gmail.com. So now let's jump into the world of event management. Let me start with a story. Once there was Nilakshi, and here's what happened. You could be wondering what this figure is there on the screen or the smiley is indicating. All the arrangements for the upcoming fest are done. The team is coordinating to manage online entries. It was Saturday night, and Nilakshi was lying on her bed scrolling WhatsApp messages. Everyone was sending the daily updates of the college's cultural activity group. And who is Nilakshi? Nilakshi is a third year student of BA in psychology. She was the cultural head of her college. She was responsible for managing the cultural activities that took place in college throughout the year. This time, the college's biggest and most awaited annual fest, Kalrav, was going to be held in a week's time, and thus the arrangements for the fest were in full swing. So Nilakshi wanted to make sure that everything went to plan, and she was using technology like WhatsApp, with her different groups and messages to manage this. The next morning when she woke up, she picked her phone again to check notifications, and she didn't realize that her best friend Meher had called her. She saw that notification came. Let's rock at EDM. We saw Meher had added Nilakshi to a new WhatsApp group. Nilakshi saw, there were 500 plus messages in that group. So EDM ticket booked and mailed to everyone. Please check. Read Meher's text in the group. So Meher had booked the tickets for the Sunburn, the biggest electronic music and dance festival that was held in major cities around the globe. So Nilakshi, in the blink of an eye, called Meher. Is it a dream? Am I really going to the EDM festival? I can't believe it. When she called, then Meher said, yes, Nilakshi, yes, your dream is coming true. So Nilakshi said that, I think you're kidding me. Have you really booked the tickets, Meher? So Meher said, check your email. Meher said and hung up the call. And it's 11 a.m. now, and Sunburn is 7:30 p.m. I need to decide what I'm going to wear. So they reached the destination and had a lot of fun. And at the same time, Nilakshi was observing that this kind of an event required so much of extrinsic management, so much of details were there. She wondered, how could they manage such a big event? Because how do they market their event to reach the target audience? What are the financial budgeting strategies, and connecting with all the stakeholders to make sure that everything goes well and in time. So this event, was not only enjoyable for her, but also something learning for her. So when she returned to her room, she thought it's a one lifetime kind of an experience. Thank you, Meher. That's what I was saying. And she was writing in a diary before going to bed that if I were given the responsibility of managing such a huge event, would I be able to do that? And what is the career scope in this field? If I want to take it up professionally and can I pursue a career in this field of event management? She had these questions and she's looking forward to the answers to these questions. And now, let's see, this presentation can help Nilakshi to understand about what are the possibilities and opportunities in the field of event management. So let's jump in. So first, let's understand what is event management. So event management is what? It's like an application of project management. Okay? One subset of project management, like planning, organizing, right from the venue to the budget, strategizing, monitoring, providing innovative service, coordinating, entertainment planning, logistics, executing the plans, coordinating, and even maintaining the vendor relationship. Therefore, event management understands the client's requirements or objectives, designs, experience, and provides it in a structured way to the target audience. Hence, an event manager is actually a person who will prepare the entire framework for the event and navigate through it successfully to make sure that the event goes well. Now, next is how to become an event manager. So, when it comes to a question, how to become an event manager, let's first try to understand what are the skills that are required. Some of the tips, like you need a person who's creative or innovative, who's multitasking, client oriented, has organizational skills, can work in a team, has negotiation skills also to negotiate with different vendors as required, who is to be flexible because some things may not always work out as per the plan. He is good at public relations, he's good at marketing or networking skills, he's a great communicator, and he's an expert in people management. So now looking at future growth and opportunities. So event management as a career is definitely growing exponentially. This is because it has more to do with creating experiences. Today we are combining technology with innovative ideas. So technology has completely changed the game of event management right now as it was 10-20 years back. People are using drones, live streaming the event, facial recognition to get people in the event, especially for VIP events. So as per EYEMR, that is Event and Entertainment Management Association report, India's events activation industry is expected to cross 10,000 crore mark. Probably it is already crossed, I think. And in addition to this, the industry somewhere around 5,631 crores in the year 2017-18 has been growing at a 16% compounded annual growth rate. Every year, compounding on. Not only this, it is even overtaking the Indian media and entertainment industry, which is growing only at 11 to 13%. Such is the scope here. What is the change in event management? So, event management is actually undergoing a lot of changes because a wedding is no longer just a process of rituals which is planned by house members or the family members. It comprises many events where people are looking for a grand wedding and hiring wedding planners also. Wedding planners is again, a subset of an event manager. Similarly, birthdays are transformed as grand events with various activities, specialized themes, and gifts, and also surprise events also. Besides, it operates also organized events as a marketing strategy that require proper and effective planning to give a great experience to the potential leads or customers of the company. So when it comes to organizing an event, it is necessary to strategize and plan it effectively, as it is one of the ways to get a good reputation and goodwill. Now, when it comes to a scope in event management, the scope is really huge. Because you could be working as a consultant, or you could have been own entrepreneur, even a PRO, public relation officer. You could be an event product head. You could be in brand development, designing, event management and organizing. So promotion and marketing also, and even you could be specialized in corporate event planning. It's a vast field that allows you to explore various areas. But if you're not sure how to become an event manager, make sure you pick the one that excites and interests you out of the options that I just shared with you. I also shared with you various designations in event management, like consultant, entrepreneur, designing and all. And now coming to educational qualification, build a career in event management. If you're wondering how to become an event manager, there are various paths that you can follow. So 12, you can pass from any recognized board, any stream is fine. You can pursue graduation in event management courses also, or you could pursue graduation in any discipline and then you can do a master's in event management like MBA or postgraduate diploma in event management. Generally, I would recommend कि आप general graduation कर लो, उसके बाद आप specialization भी कर सकते हो. So these are some of the top colleges, that which I am sharing here, that offer courses in event management, like National Academy of Event Management and Development. It is there in multiple locations, which offers Bachelor's of Management Studies, Event Management in PR, Masters in Event Management in PR, and PG Diploma in Event Management in PR. Then comes National Institute of Event Management. National Institute of Event Management offers various programs to make your career in event management. So diploma in event and postgraduate diploma in events, and then postgraduate diploma in advertising, media and events. This is also possible. And then we have Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. So the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade is one of the leading colleges in India that offers various courses to build a career in event management. So diploma in event design and management is something which can be really interesting, and the PG diploma in event design and managment is really promising. Then comes EMDI Institute of Media and Communication, New Delhi. So if you wish to become an event manager, then the EMDI Institute of Media and Communication in New Delhi offers various event management courses. Here you could get courses in diploma in wedding planning, diploma in event management, and even BBA in event management is available here. In Indian School of Media, you could look at courses in diploma in media and event management, and even a postgraduate diploma is also available in the same field. Impact Institute of Event Management, Delhi, which offers courses in diploma in event management and BBA and MBA in event management. Even a postgraduate diploma in event management is available at this college. And then we have the famous college, Asian Academy of Film and Television, where you could do even a BA in event management or an MA in public relations and events. Diploma courses in event management or postgraduate diploma is also available here. Then we have Amity School of Communication, where you can which offers MA in PR and event management courses for students to pursue event management. And then we have APJ Institute of Mass Communication that also offers postgraduate diploma in corporate communications and event management. If you read the list of these colleges, you can send out an email to us, our team, and we'll be happy to help. Now, later she decided to pursue professional course in event management. Whom I'm talking to? Before I come to that, I'd like to ask you that did you find this video powerful to understand all about the event management career? I'm sure you did. And if you did so, then what are you waiting for? If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that the latest video that comes on the next career option or about how to choose careers, your dream job, stream selection, subject selection, college selection comes straight first to you. Subscribe to the channel, press the like button, also share with any of your friends whom you think that could benefit from this particular video. Even parents should benefit from this video to understand about this new age career options. So now I'm talking here about Nilakshi. Yes, you guessed it right. Nilakshi had got of her doubts cleared by watching this presentation. She believed she can do much more than just managing college fests. So she was thinking, should I go for event management, event organization, or promotion and marketing expert? Something exercise that and Nilakshi felt this is some of the options that should be worth considering for her, and she plans to apply for various event management internship also to examine which role would be best for her. And she is very much inclined to pursue a professional course in event management. So now let me know in the comment box, what are your career plans? Does a career in event management excite you, appeal to you? Would you consider building in this career in this field? It could be yes, it could be no. So whatever are the options that you have in mind, let me know in the chat box. Now to conclude, event management is becoming more popular with globalization. And besides the opportunities that have rapidly increased as occasions have become a part of our life, opportunities for event managers have also increased. And individuals who are looking for an external source to organize their events, because sometimes it's very difficult to manage the event for various reasons, like holding up with a tight schedule, unique planning, etc. Where they want to give a professional experience to their audience. So if you're someone who's creative and talented, you could have a great career in the field of event management. So thank you very much for watching this video and wish you all the best in your career journey. Please do visit our website jakshay.com or careervisioner.com and subscribe karo, wait mat karo. Thank you and all the best.